Hi, this is Savino Gamer here. I literally just logged back into my account. I finally found it. And it's Buffalo, and as lots of people probably know that, like, Buffalo got a lot of snow tonight, and like, you can't even see out of my window. It's like busted closed. You got like maybe like probably 4 feet of snow here on me. Okay, I just wanted to say that.